Welcome back to Engine Plusle, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting vehicles to hit the market this year, the 2025 GMC Motorhome Truck. This hybrid between a motorhome and a truck is redefining what it means to travel in style and comfort. Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know about this game changer. The 2025 GMC Motorhome Truck is designed for adventure lovers who want the utility of a truck and the convenience of a motorhome. On the outside, it's rugged and bold, with GMC's signature front grille and LED lighting. It screams power and capability, while still maintaining a sleek, futuristic design. The all-terrain tires and reinforced chassis mean you can take this beast off-road without breaking a sweat. Under the hood, it packs a punch with a hybrid powertrain. You get a robust V8 engine combined with electric assistance, giving you power, efficiency, and a smoother ride. It's perfect for towing, whether it's a boat, extra gear, or even another vehicle. The hybrid system also improves fuel economy, making those long road trips more affordable. Now let's step inside, where things get really exciting. The interior is a blend of luxury and functionality. You've got plush leather seating that transforms into a bed, a fully equipped kitchenette, and even a compact bathroom. GMC has maximized every inch of space to ensure you have all the amenities of home. The smart control system is another highlight. You can control the lighting, climate, and even check your vehicle stats through a touchscreen interface or via an app on your phone. One of the coolest features is the modular design. The rear section can be customized depending on your needs. Want more storage for outdoor gear? No problem. Need an expanded sleeping area? That's an option too. GMC really thought about versatility with this model. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. You've got all the latest tech, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It's perfect for navigating tight camping spots or busy highways. Pricing starts at a premium, but when you consider the features and versatility, it's worth every penny for what it offers. Plus, GMC is offering several trim levels, so you can choose the one that fits your budget and lifestyle. Outro. So, what do you think about the 2025 GMC Motorhome Truck? Is this your dream vehicle for road trips and adventures? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Engine Plusle, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.